Ngimingedwa ngiphinde nginamukele namuhla izithi.
Where are you from?
South Africa. Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil.
You
You
have
look so
Brazilian
pretty,
hair?
by the way.
You have Brazilian hair on?
Yes, it's Brazilian hair, ne?
It's from here. It's from here. Wow, but it looked like it come from your head.
Yes, trust the glue and everything like that. Like,
So where you get Brazilian hair from?
We buy it. So apparently our hair is imported from other countries. I don't know where. Apparently our hair is being imported to South Africa. So we buy the hair so we can install it and we can just have it long and all of that.
Do you know what it happened here? If the hair you are wearing, here they take it from the people that he busy die. That is why the people here they sell the hair, because they take it from the people who is busy die.
So people in Brazil sell hair from people who passed on.
See.
So you're telling me now that I could possibly be wearing hair of a person who has already passed on?
See.
See.
Sometimes it is by force. They say you sit down, we cut off all your hair, but most of time it is someone he busy die, and they take it off, and they put it in a bundle like this, and they sell it to other people, because sometimes the people here is poor, and then they buy food with the money.
Really?
See, it's not. You must Google.
Oh my God. I can't say I've Googled before in any way.
That is why sometimes if you look at your hair, you'll see some gray hairs inside. It's from the old lady. She almost passed, and they take off the hair.
You know what the funny part is? Actually, the moment you start washing their hair like countlessly or continuously, the hair starts grow like one of the hair. One of the
See,
hairs.
because the people he busy die long time. He busy die, so they cut it off and they give it to someone to sell.
Oh, see, that's chummy.
Not very nice, but it's good. If it make you happy, it make you happy. South Africa is a scam.